How to delete Snapchat data permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what we can do is we're going to go to the settings of the device and then scroll down until you find the option of apps. Then tap on apps and then tap on manage apps over here. After that, you can just search for the Snapchat application on the search bar by typing, or you can just scroll and you can find the application. Now tap on that. Here you can see the option of manage space, where you can delete the app data for permanently. So you can see Snap will permanently delete the following app data from your device: from snaps and chats, from logins, settings, personal information, activity, and so on. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.